Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to place for honest and in-depth beauty reviews. Today, I'm talking about something that could become your new secret weapon for a flush of color on the go, the Keys Soulcare Sheer Flush Cheek Tint. If you're always on the move, this balm promises to give you a natural, buildable color without needing a brush. Sounds pretty easy, right? Let's find out if it really holds up to its promises. This cheek tint is designed with simplicity in mind. It's a balm formula that provides sheer coverage, meaning it's perfect for those of us who prefer a natural, dewy look. The color I'm trying is called Powerful, which is a beautiful raspberry red, and it's meant to work for all skin tones. So, whether you're fair, medium, or deep, this tint should blend seamlessly. Now, what about the ingredients? It's got some key elements that should appeal to those of us looking for cleaner beauty options. The formula is vegan and cruelty-free, which is great to see from a brand that's all about self-care. I personally love that it's designed to be effortless. You don't need a brush, just your fingers, which makes it super portable. I've had the chance to try it out in real-world scenarios. The first thing I noticed is how easy it is to apply. I just used my fingers to tap it onto my cheeks, and wow, the color payoff is impressive for a sheer tint. It gives you that natural flush, like you've just been out in the cold or had a good workout. It's very buildable too. If you want a more intense pop of color, just layer it up. It didn't feel sticky, which is a big plus for me, and it dried down to a nice natural finish without any greasy residue. What I found really impressive was how well it blended. It melted into the skin, making it look like part of my natural complexion. That said, if you're someone who loves a more matte structured blush, this might not be your thing. The sheer finish does give a bit of a glow, which I love, but I know it's not for everyone. The only con I'd mention is the lasting power. Since it's a balm, it doesn't have the staying power of a powder blush or even some cream formulas. After a few hours, I noticed it started to fade, especially if I was touching my face a lot. If you're looking for something that will last all day without touch-ups, you might want to consider a different formula. When it comes to value for money, I think it really depends on what you're looking for. The price is a bit higher than some other blushes, but for a product that's clean, portable, and easy to apply, it could be worth it, especially if you're someone who appreciates an effortless beauty routine. So, how does it compare to other cheek tints? There are plenty of similar products on the market, but what sets this one apart is its balm texture and ease of application. I've tried a few stick blushes that require a brush, and honestly, this one is much simpler and quicker to use. Plus, it's a cruelty-free option, which always gets bonus points from me. As for the packaging, it's simple but feels sturdy. I could definitely see this fitting nicely in a small makeup bag, and it's not bulky, so perfect for traveling or keeping in your purse for a midday pick-me-up. But if you're looking for something super sleek or luxurious, this one's pretty straightforward. Is it worth the price? I'd say if you're someone who's all about easy, natural-looking makeup, this could be a great addition to your routine. The formula is clean, the color is buildable, and it's very low maintenance, perfect for anyone looking for an on-the-go tint that doesn't require a lot of effort. If you're on the fence, though, there are definitely more affordable alternatives out there. Cream blushes or stick blushes from other brands could offer similar performance for a lower price point, so it's worth exploring those options if you're looking to save a little. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Keys Soulcare Sheer Flush Cheek Tint? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. And as always, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can keep up with all our latest reviews here at Beautyistic. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.